All right, let's learn how to install Mule Vibes. So first of all, if you haven't installed the Anypoint Extension Pack in your VS Code, go ahead and do that. So simply as that, just find it in the extensions marketplace and then just come here and click on install. Make sure that it comes from salesforce.com. So once it's installed, you will see the MuleSoft logo and this will be Anypoint Code Builder. But this is not what we want. So now you have this second logo. Let's go ahead and log into Anypoint Platform. Now it's gonna do the usual thing. You go and you open this in your browser, you log in your browser, and then you open this in VS Code. So now as you can see here, I don't have the AI features. So let's learn how to do that. Let's go back here to Anypoint Platform. I am gonna log in with my username and my password. So once we are here, we can go to Anypoint Code Builder. And right from here, the start, you can select and go to Access Management. So here first, let's enable Agentforce. And once we have that, we're gonna need to add the Salesforce org so we can enable some of the other settings. So let's head to developer.salesforce.com and then click on free trials. In here, we will be able to see the developer edition. There's other free trials that you can try out, but for now, let's just get a developer edition free trial. So once you add up all of your details, just sign me up and you will receive your details via email. Once you set up your password and everything, now you will be able to log in into your new organization. You will receive a verification code into your email. And after that, you're in to your Developer Edition Salesforce org. So let's go ahead and click on Setup. In Quick Find, let's search for Agentforce and head to Agentforce Agents. Let's just switch this click, and that's pretty much it. You can also make sure that you have turned on Einstein just in case. Just like that. Now let's search for MuleSoft and select the Anypoint Platform setup. Click on the Complete that connection and copy your Salesforce org tenant key. Now, once you go back into your Anypoint Platform, you will be able to paste that right there. By the way, if you get this message, just wait a few minutes and then refresh and try again. So that's it. Just add a name that you want so you can recognize what user or what name is here. I'm just gonna call this SF Dev account. Click on Add, and then copy that org key, paste it in Salesforce, and click on Connect. Ta-da! That's it. Now just make sure to enable Agentforce in Anypoint Platform, and that is all you need to be able to use MuleSoft Vibes from ACV or from VS Code. Now you can just try again, and now you can see that you have MuleSoft Vibes enabled in your VS Code. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked it. Remember to subscribe and keep posted for more guides and MuleSoft tutorials.